This is Xtreme Motorcars installation video for a Cayman 987.2 718 style taillight upgrade. First, unscrew counterclockwise fasteners, as you see here. Then there's three 10mm nuts that you're going to have to take off in the corner and here. Push top of the clip down and wiggle it out of the socket. Then, after clip is removed, carefully slide out tail light like this. Here are the two tail lights side by side. And then clean edge. Use a good detailer to clean the edge after you remove the tail light while you have the tail light out. And remove backing on foam. And then affix to the plastic. And then reverse by installing the light in the same direction. Pull harness through and connect connector completely. Brake lights, parking lights, reverse lights, and signal. Old style, new style. Seat headlight properly and install nuts on bolts here, here, and here. Reinstall cover and turn clockwise to fasten fastener on end. And as you can see, fit is very tight and seamless. Great fit.